Chart your course to a high-tech future with a degree or certificate in land surveying technology from Bismarck State College. The 2-year associate program offers a comprehensive education, blending hands-on lab experience with classroom learning. You'll master skills such as land surveying fundamentals, boundary and cadastral surveying, computer-aided drafting, and geographic information systems, preparing you for roles in surveying, engineering, mining, and construction industries. The program certificate offers a more targeted education for individuals who are currently employed in or have had previous employment in surveying technician jobs and are seeking to expand their opportunities in the land surveying profession. In practical on-campus classes taught by knowledgeable faculty, you'll learn how to become a land surveying technician with expertise in fieldwork, planning, and analysis, essential skills for today's land surveying challenges. The curriculum includes coursework and content that is consistent with the requirements for graduates entering the land surveying industry, as the program and credentials earned are considered board-approved by the North Dakota State Board of Registration for Professional Engineers and Land Surveyors for those seeking land surveyor intern status. Take the first step in building the landscapes of tomorrow. Enroll now and begin your journey in the high-demand field of land surveying.